So we're at T's Works, and we're doing a quick meet today. We just arrived here in, what is this, Kitakyushu area? Kitakyushu. Bunch of Miatas over here. We're gonna go check them all out and see what they've got. So in the US, finding a silver NA is pretty hard because it's it's not a very common color. Oh, okay. Simple. Ooh. Aluminum. Wow, super clean. Simple OE plus. Again, the stock airbox, they look that here.
で、ホイールは変えてますね。ホイール、スポイラー。
Okay.
それからカナド。
Okay, canard.
あと
Lower.
ロー。
Okay. And then hood vent.
ダクト。
Duct. Okay.
あとステアリング。あとシート。
Oh, okay. Nice. So it's got okay. Recaros, Momo steering wheel. Got this wing. Oh, that's a US company right there.
そう。
Yeah. What exhaust?
レッグスポーツ。
Oh, really? Nice. Got wheels, and then he also lowered it just a little bit. Also has front canards. Oh, gauge cluster. RS refined?
そう。
RS refined gauge cluster.
Yes.
Look at that. Arita-san. Okay. Engine.
エンジンの。
No. Okay. Awesome. Nice.
ありがとうございます。
What did you do to this? I got wheels.
Wheel on
Lower.
lower.
Okay. And then signal marker.
Yeah.
Factory
I
lit.
use winker position.
Okay.
So like US.
Oh, really?
Like Miata.
Oh.
Not Miata, but like Miata.
Like
Yeah.
And then mirror.
Yeah. And she.
Oh.
And steering.
Cobra.
Yeah.
Okay. And then steering wheel. Dash pad.
Mini Miata.
Oh, it's got a mini Miata right here. Look. Oh, that's so cool. And then original cover.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is. Do you know M2?
Oh.
M2 Miata
Yeah.
shape
Yes.
trunk.
Oh, okay.
So
Fiberglass.
yeah.
FRP.
Fiber.
Wow.
And nothing high mount long.
Right. Nice.
So
Lauren, look at this. This one, huh? The M2 style?
I'm jealous.
Exhaust factory.
It's normal, but I have one of muffler.
Oh, okay.
But I broken the differential,
Oh.
so I changed it, but different series.
Yeah.
So one of muffler touched the differential.
Oh,
So
shoot.
I using original muffler
muffler. Wow.
just now.
Yeah.
Just now.
Wow, look at this fitment. What size?
50.
15?
9.5.
Wow.
9.5 plus 10 offset.
Wow. 15, 9.5 plus 10. Look at that, boys. If you want this fitment, that's the way to do it. Look at that.
No. No.
What is
No.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Arita right here of RS Refine. What do we have here? We got new prototype. Prototype. So if you guys didn't know, he created those cool gauges and gauge rings for our Miatas. So if you go over here, it's got all the fancy gauges. I'm screaming because the microphone's facing behind me. Wow. Oh, what brand? This, the steering wheel.
モトリタ。
Ooh. Japanese?
いえ、モトリタイタリアですかね。
Italian?
イタリアン。
Oh, Italian. Oh, I'm not aware of that brand. Oh, this?
これが KG ワークスで。
KG Works, okay.
これが RS プロダクツ。
Okay, RS Products.
これはノーブランド。
Oh, no brand. Okay, okay. And then this?
これは今電源が入ってない
Oh, cool.
スマートウォッチを
Yeah.
飛んで
Your product.
はい
Oh, nice, nice. And this?
これは NAR 日経かな
Oh, super nice. Oh, another prototype.
Ah.
Another prototype. Oh, and this?
それはアウトブレイズ
Auto race?
アウトブレイズは何だろう
Auto berets? Auto berets?
昔多分ズームが作る前に作ってたやつ
Did it before Zoom.
Oh, and the wing?
これもノーブランド
No brand.
はい
Looks cool. And then taillight cover.
これはブライトロジック
Bright Logic.
はいでこれだけ自分で作って iMake
Oh, he did this themselves. These? Each one. 3D print? 3D print?
Yes
Wow. Ariya-san's been kind of into the 3D printing lately. Oh, easy lit?
そうです
Ah, that looks good. What is this? This is crazy. Lauren, you see this?
Lotus.
What is it supposed to be?
オーナー
Oh,
ミスターオミヤ
ask explain to us what this is.
これ説明して
ロータスエリートのレプリカ
It's a replica of the Lotus Elite.
をまあ綺麗にしてます。
He's working on it, like a pretty.
Oh, like a Lotus Elan? No.
のエリート。
Elise.
Elise, sorry.
Elise. Oh, wow. Full body change.
ボディ全部交換しました。
はい、イエスイエス。
How much is that?
いくらですか
Sakai? That's a
シークレット。
secret. Okay, wow. How long did it take you to build this?
作るのはどのぐらいかかったんですか
あ、このまんまで買いました。
You bought it like this.
Oh, okay. Does he know how long it took to do this?
作るのはどのぐらいかかった知ってますか
買って今7年ぐらいなんですけど、まだ続いてます、ずっと。
7 years?
日々進化です。
この1台を作る。
うん、まだ途中です。完成してないです。
It's taken about 7 years and you're still working on it.
Oh, dude. Says it took about 7 years to build and he's still working on it. So, see, great example of nothing is instant, my boys. This thing looks super cool. Lots of details. Wow, what is this a light? Fog light? Fog lamp? Fog lamp. Wow, this is so cool. What's inside here? Engine? Let's see this Lotus engines. Oh, I thought that was. Oh, it's just for looks. Whoa. Whoa. That looks good. Polish.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Oh, look at this. It's like a billet signal thing. You guys didn't know, here in Japan you signal with the right, not the left. Wow. Really detailed. And this is cool. Okay, okay. Wow. A few. Lotus. Oh my god, there's so much details on this car. All polished exhaust too, look at that. Holy crap. This is so cool. No, this is crazy. Thank you. Mr. Rita.
これは Inoshima の Lotus Elite です。
Wow.
これは Lotus Elite です。
Wow.
これは Lotus Elite です。
Wow.
これは Lotus Elite です。
Wow. that stance. Womp womp womp! He stalled his car. And then Monster over there. Everywhere in Japan, you gotta pay tolls, man. Tolls, tolls, tolls. I think yesterday we spent like $150 in tolls. Just going around the Kanjo. So expensive. Oh, this is going north?
Yes, that's the ocean.
Ah, that lowered life. Are you gonna get it? Can you fit? Can you fit? Oh, crazy, man. I wouldn't do that. Made it. It was a really nice cruise, actually. Really nice roads up here. Saw the beach, or at least the ocean, and a really cool bridge, nice canyon roads. And now we're gonna get some food. Fukuoka is known for really dang good food, so I'm pretty excited because this is my first meal on this visit here to this part of the island. He drove 7 hours to hang out with us. That's crazy. 7 hours in the Rocket Bunny / troublemaker Miata. The police was all over his butt, he said. Koi fish. Oh, that was too loud. That one got scared. Wow, that's cool. There you go. Polarizer. Lauren's got these really giant boots looking thing that takes forever to remove. Well, I got my Ultra Boost to just go like this. Haha, easy. Okay, go inside. They got a cool lunch. Oh, right here. No manners, American. Oh. Oh, so cool. Look at this view.
How do I say? I don't know how to do this. Just like this.
Just look at everyone how to eat it. Well,
That's really good.
this bridge is supposedly super epic. It looks quite epic. Whoa. That's so cool. Look how friggin'. This is so dope. Now we are in a tiny island called Inoshima? Whatever. It's a tiny island in Japan. Don't try to even say it, but we are meeting a few more people and then now we gotta go back to Garage Active for dinner, but this was really cool. More Miatas! Dude, this is insane. Who's this guy?
Ooh, that's clean.
About to do some donuts there? Dang, look at that shot. Oh, he's going home. Don't go home, buddy. Hi boys, meeting spot 2. We are at a small island and everyone's here. It's a little bit wet. We got the NDs on this side, some NAs here, or mostly NAs, and then we got a boat over there, the NC, and I don't know what this is. Some sort of Toyota? Was that Corolla? Dope. Such a dope group, dude. So cool to see these guys out. Most of these guys drove far, and I mean far. The guy that's like, I don't know, he lives in Kobe, which is like 7 hours away, and a couple of these guys are like 3 to 4 hours away. They've been waiting here all day to hang out. So awesome. One of the crazier ones in the group, check this out. Work Equip 01s, and look at this fitment. This thing is so freaking tight, dude. I bet you this guy's on air, because it's a little bit crazy to be rocking this without air. I mean, I suppose someone could be. Did he say it's normal? No way. That has to be on air. That's just crazy if it's not on air. Look at this. I'm gonna put you guys on the ground. That cannot be normal. If it is, that's just crazy. Whoa, so cool, dude. This fitment is ridiculous. Look at this fitment. My goodness. Okay, I figured it would be on air. See, this is how the Japanese do it. They match the front and rear camber the proper way. I think back home, we do way too much camber in the back and then not too much in the front, which means it's very like biased to the rear, which looks kind of silly. This is dope.